Sir, you ready? Sir, you ready? Fight!
Touch of the gloves, and we are underway at 205 pounds. Leg kicks open the action from Довлетджан. This time he goes to the low calf. The longest pro fight of Ягшимурадов's young career only took 6 minutes and 16 seconds. He likes a fast start. Right hand searching there for Ягшимурадов. Довлетджан Ягшимурадov has 3 times the professional experience. Wouldn't mind taking this fight into the later rounds.
Довлет's got 12 knockouts to his credit in his career.
Good uppercut there on the exit. After a brief clash, Довлетджан Ягшимурадov showing his experience, already going to work on the lead leg of Ягшимурадов. Trying to take away the broad base. Overhand right landed from Довлет.
Довлет hurt him with that overhand.
Hurt.
And he knows it as well.
Smelling blood early. Довлетджan Ягшимурадov continuing to swing away. The right hand is landing. Another uppercut.
Neto's in trouble.
He's in big trouble here on wobbly legs. Довлет hammering away with the right hand. Somehow Ягшимурадov still standing. Ягшимурадov stalking.
Довlet's doing a great job of keeping his composure. He got hurt 10 seconds ago. He's still hurt. Take your time, look at the shot. Don't run into nothing silly.
The left eye closing up here for Ягшимурадov, who blinks away some of that damage. Now Довлет with the jab. Ducks underneath the swing. Drives Ягшимуradov into the barrier.
Surprised me he went for the takedown. He had him pretty close to a finish at that point.
Довлет backs out of that takedown attempt. Neto appears to have shaken most of those cobwebs out as he works behind this jab. He's got to watch out. That overhand right continues to land.
And it's also continuing to swell up that left eye. So he's blinking right now when you look at Jakob.
Jab to the body from Довлет, mixing it up, giving multiple looks. Ian Parker, how do we bet this fight as Довлет lands another big, nasty right hand, and there's the finish. Довлетджан Ягшимурадов.
Talking about taking your time.
Wow.
Well, that right hand just found a home repeatedly, over and over.
He fluttered in a couple of jabs trying to set it up. threw a few jabs in there just to disguise it, so you didn't know if it was an overhand or uppercut, but I agree, Randy. He found his home over and over again.
Довлетджан Ягшимурадов happily waving the flag of his home country, Turkmenistan. He is the only representative on our roster from Turkmenistan, and quite frankly, he is the highest profile athlete right now from Turkmenistan. Also a big-time actor, man, after the heart of my own co-host here, so to speak. Randy's done a little acting. Tyron's been on the silver screen, as has Довлетджан Ягшимурадov. We take a look at the Cageonomics post-fight stats. CarID.com. He did not let Ягшимурадov build any momentum. Didn't let him get going. Seized control with the big strikes early and finishes with the right hand. PFL's AI score measures not just techniques in the fights, but the result, the impact those techniques have on an opponent. And the only way to score a perfect 100 is to get a finish inside the round. Довлет does so on his way to 6 points.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Keith Peterson calls a halt to the action at 2 minutes and 54 seconds of round number 1. Declaring your winner via TKO, Довлетджан Ягшимурадов!
Less than 3 minutes and 6 points for Dovlet, who snaps an 8-fight win streak for Jakob Neto, the PFL Europe champion. There's your light heavyweight standings. Of course, we just got the season started, but a really solid position for the man from Turkmenistan.
Here you see the knee, followed by the uppercut. He realizes he's got his opponent hurt, and he's picking his shots, not smothering his punches, taking his time, staying in distance. Shots to the body, ripping that uppercut. Dovlet doing a great job of methodically stalking his opponent when he knows he has him in trouble. You see the slip of the jab, the big uppercut right up the middle by Dovlet. Neto on wobbly legs. Big right hook, and that one hurt him, sent him to his knees. Referee looking very, very hard at Jakob Neto and stepped in. He's seen enough.
He sneaks this right hand
just a big right hook. Now the body. That was enough. Very impressive by Dovlet. Big uppercut. Here comes that big right hook. Right on the chin. Sends Neto to his knees. The referee's seen enough.